Now let us see the next part of the lesson. Areas of sector and segment of a circle. So you see the two diagrams. Here OA and OB are two radii, isn't it? So this is called the minor sector or simply sector. This will be the major sector. So what is meant by the definition of a sector? The part of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of a circle. What is the sector of a circle? The part of a circular region enclosed by two radii and corresponding arc is called the sector of a circle. But you see here, this is minor segment and major segment. Okay, so what is segment? Segment we are going to deal in terms of codes. Okay, മനസ്സിലാക്കുക സെഗ്മെന്റ് നമ്മൾ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതൊരു കോഡും കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആർക്കും തമ്മിലുള്ള സർക്കുലർ റീജിയനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുക. ഓക്കെ, ബട്ട് സെക്ടർ ആണെങ്കിലോ രണ്ട് റേഡിയൈ ഒരു circular, the parts of a circular region bounded by two radii and the corresponding arc is called the sector of a circle. Okay, so segment of a circle is what? The part of a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called the segment of a circle. Understood clearly, children? So the difference between sector and segment understood clearly. So sector we are going to deal in terms of the radius and the corresponding arc. Segment we are going to deal with the chord and the corresponding arc. Okay. So first let us see the formula for finding area of a sector. Okay. So write area of sector is equal to, last year I think we studied this, area of sector. What is area of sector? It is related to the circle only now. So theta by 360, central angle is theta. Okay, this angle we are denoting by the letter theta. Okay, so area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into area of circle. What is area of circle? Very good, pi r square. So the formula for area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. But you cannot apply this formula for area of segment. Okay, area of segment if you are finding means, you see, right, like this way we have to join the radii, then this part only the area of segment will come. Okay, അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനത്തെ സമ്മ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ സെക്ടർ ഫുൾ ആയിട്ട് കണ്ടിട്ട് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോഴാണ് ഈ പാർട്ടിൻ്റെ മാത്രം ഏരിയ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, so area of the segment calculation is different. Area of segment calculation is what you have to do. Area of the sector first you must find out, then area of triangle you must find out, then area of sector minus area of triangle only area of the segment. Okay, so detail in doing some side let's print. Okay, so only area of sector and perimeter of sector, or perimeter of the sector we will call that, sorry, perimeter, instead of perimeter, arc length you can say. Okay, arc length of a sector, arc length of a sector is equal to theta by 360 into circumference of a circle, that is perimeter of a circle. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Arc length is denoted by the letter L. Arc length or length of arc of a circle, both same only. Okay, so what is meant by arc length? Arc length is same as length of arc of a circle. This one, this distance only, this is the arc length. Okay, so arc length of a sector is theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square unit. Then perimeter formula also you must write. Okay, so this is the sector part. Okay, so you see the diagram, OAB is the sector part. Okay, OAB area is the sector part 1. So I am asking how to find the perimeter of this sector. So what is the formula for perimeter of sector? This is arc length L, I told you. These two are the radius. Okay. So radius is same in a circle. Isn't it? This is a constant value. So arc length plus L plus what will come? 2R. That will be the perimeter of a sector. So what is meant by perimeter of a sector? Perimeter of a sector is equal to arc length plus 2 times the radius of the sector. Okay. Understood the concept clearly? Because if you know the formula only, next exercises we are going to deal. Same pattern of questions we will not do it. Next module onwards, in interactive sections we will give the extra questions. You have to practice by yourself. Okay. Same pattern of 2 or 3 questions alone we will teach on the board. The rest same pattern with different values you have to practice how much you can. Okay. So if any doubt is there, means interactive section you have to clear with your teachers. Okay. So see that the formula for area of sector as well as the arc length of a sector over and perimeter of a sector is L plus 2R. So these 3 formula you have to by heart it first. Okay. Now let us see the exercise sums. Exercise 12.2. See the first question. Find the area of a sector of a circle with a radius 6 cm if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So they are given the radius R is 6 cm and the central angle or they are given the angle of the sector is known as the central angle theta, that is given as 60 degree. Okay. So they ask you to find out the area of sector. So what is the formula we studied? Area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square unit. Okay. Substitute the value of theta 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. So 6 are 36. We can cancel this one. Okay, 6 are 36. So 36, 360 10 times. Then this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. So 6 into 22 divided by 7. What is 6 into 22? 132. 132 divided by 7. That is 18.86 centimeters square.